Hi all, welcome to another OxiWear Wednesday. So today from our video we want to show you how you can change your alert levels. So we have a very tricky situation here because by default for normal people lower than 92% of oxygen is unsafe. Therefore, by default, the device only allows you to drop your threshold until 98, 92, from between 97 and 92. So you can do this in two different ways. On your dashboard, you can say under your graph a line saying current alert threshold, and there's a blue number which has your threshold number. So you just tap on that and it will open up your set threshold window, and then you adjust it to the level you want and click done, and then it will update your device. So your device will start vibrating on your ear at that level which you specified on the app. And there's another way that you can do this. That is by going to settings, you go and click set threshold, and again it will pop up the same window for you to adjust, and then adjust it using that, and you can hit done. Now there are some of you who needs to drop this below 92 because you may be an altitude trainer or someone who's traveling to really high altitude like Everest, Kilimanjaro, and at that level your threshold levels are normally between 81 and 89. So therefore we have a special option for all you altitude trekkers and altitude trainers. You can go to edit profile and click on primary use, and then change your primary use to altitude training or high altitude trekking, whichever the option you want, and then say done. And once you hit done, it will allow you to drop your alert threshold up to 81. So you can then go and see your lower level would have gone down up to 81%, so you can drop it further from 92%. So that, I hope that helps all of you who need to drop your alert threshold so that it doesn't vibrate on your ear the whole day.